So tonight we're staying in Grand Village in the lodge cabins, and it's the Coyote building that we've been assigned. So we're just heading over now to see what it's all about. So there's an ice machine and drinks right here. So this is room 3209. So first when we come in, there is a lovely double bed with 4 pillows and comforter. There's bedside tables on each side. So on this side, there's like a shelf and then 2 decent sized drawers. There's also a phone to ring down. So this is 3209 if I didn't say that right. There's also a nice retro alarm clock. And the bedside lamps, which can be controlled from these, actually have a outlet on there as well. There's a cool little bit of artwork about Yellowstone with a howling wolf silhouette. And the same on this side, another double drawers, the standard cuddly bison, the fluffy cow you can pet. And then there's some outlets on the floor there, on the wall as well. And there's a heater just next to the window. And this is the view. This is the view out of the window. And the heater's just there. So there's also a luggage rack and another lamp, which you can switch. You can toggle on and off here. And that also has an outlet on it as well. Then there's a little shelf where you can hang your clothes, a laundry bag. There's 4 glasses and an ice bucket with ice. Another bit of storage space there. And then we have a mirror, 2 mugs, coffee machine, and we've got a selection of coffee, different kinds of specialty teas. No hot chocolate though, which is a disappointment, so maybe next time. And then down here we have a refrigerator as well. And then the standard recycling, compost and landfill bin, and a fan. Heading into the bathroom, so this room does come with a bathroom. There is obviously your vanity, and here we have a hand soap and hand lotion. There's a hairdryer, there's some makeup removal wipes, and these adorable little bear soaps. Now you get these in every room in the park. Some more outlets on the wall there, light switch. There's a waste bin, spare TP, the commode, some towels, and then there is a wonderful bath shower, which is really cool. Don't often get a tub with a curtain. And then we have body wash, shampoo and conditioner, and some shelving units in there, and a towel rail. So that's the tour of this room 3209 in Coyote Building at Grand Village Lodge.